who made the book Eating Lean and Green, I decided to send a video here of me eating lean and green to you guys who made that book Eating Lean and Green. Okay? This is a yummy dip. Did I eat both of them separate, Mama?
It's pretty strong. Do you want to say what kind of dip this is? Misha's? Do you want to share Misha's?
That's the dip.
Is it delicious?
Uh-huh.
Show us.
Mmm. And you might see me say all done, but this is not eaten because I wanted to save this for a little umbrella for my toys.
That's
Could have never heard of
And what is this?
broccoli. Yeah. It's oatmeal with I think dates.
And what kind of fruit made it pink?
Dragon fruit. Mom, remember you're not supposed to talk in the video. It's evil. She's living her mouth. She's like, oh. Mom, remember. Oh, she's like this. Yeah, good. Okay, so I'm just going to eat this. I just wanted you guys to get the idea to actually eat lean and green since you made the book Eating Lean and Green. But if you already do eat lean and green, then you should eat more. Because the more lean and green, the more strong. That's how I got these guys right here. So you can actually see them. That's how. Okay, that's how. And also how I went to gymnastics.
Bye, Zephyr.
Oh, hi. Bye.